So reactive forms with Angular. We have template-driven forms, and we have different form controls which are declared in the components template. They are binded to data model properties by ng-model. The approach requires different templates for web and native, and here I left some link to Angular documentation if you want just to review more about it. Here we have an example with code. So I have stack layout, which is my wrapper for the code. Inside it, I have label with text login page and a class title. After that, I have two text fields and a button. Let's now review them deeper. So I have text field, and here first I'm having square brackets and then normal brackets. Inside them, I'm passing ng-model, and I'm saying that this ng-model will be equal to user. Then I have hints user, and this is my text field. So we can use different binding templates which are coming from Angular and integrate them in NativeScript as well. Here is the other example where I have one more text field, and here I'm saying ng-model is equal to pass. In this case, you have to be familiar with AngularJS technology if you want to understand what actually that is, because that is exactly what comes with Angular. So we have also hint password and secure true. What is secure true doing? Basically, when you have a password and you want just to have like bullets, so you want to have it hidden, not as plain text. What is your password? And let's say you enter it secret pass. You want to have it, let's say, in something like that. So this is actually what secure true is doing. After that, we're having a button, and we say when you tap it on that event, I want you to execute that function. So I want to execute function logging when I tap this button, which has text login. We have reactive forms, so forms control objects created with code in the components class. They are binded to native form control elements in the template, and we have single source of validation, or basically truth. So here I'm saying this dot login form is equal to, and now I would like to build my form to create it. So I have this dot form builder dot group. Inside this group, I'm defining different fields of my form. So I have user and I have password. Then inside my user, I'm placing first parameter as empty string, the default value, and I'm adding validators dot required. So when I'm passing user value, I would like to go through this validator class. Again, for password, I have default single value, default empty value, but here I want to have more than one validator, so I don't need any required. I want to have, let's say, min length. So here I'm having an array from validators, and I'm saying I would like this password to be required, and I would like to have min length 5.